on a DragonBall Super. I'm no longer able to find Digimon, so for now, at least, that will not be airing on my channel for a while. Max Power Master Roshi, Unthinkable Fate, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Ki Barrage Son Goten, Poir Best Pal, Bitter Past Ginyu, Dende New to the Job, After Image Technique, Endless Malice Android 17, hey, and a super rare Yamcha at 100%. That is really, really cool. I just love the art on these cards, man. It's pretty fantastic. Alright. Feisty Chi-Chi. I guess Goku made her upset. Psyche. Demon Rockin' Out. Shemming Ulan. Hidden Feelings. Defensive Stance Super Saiyan Vegeta. Hellfighter 17 Evil Revived. Power Burst. Tribeam Tien Shinhan. Ready Stance Son Goku. Dr. Mew Evil Genius. Shocking Death Ball. And a special rare King Piccolo Terror Unleashed. Man, that is cool. That is, oh wow, I didn't even notice right here. You got the, oh man, that is fantastic. That is beautiful. Man, okay. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Spread the word. I'd love to have, well, just love everybody to come and enjoy these cards as much as I do. Thank y'all so much. Have a wonderful night.